CNC fully automatic computer sponge cutting equipment. Mainly suitable for geometric cutting of various sponges with different shapes. The 90 rotating table can achieve cutting of complex contours such as circular, curved, and spiral shapes. Microcomputer operation, internationally popular, CAD drawing layout. Can set processing parameters by oneself. Realize one-to-one accurate replication of complex surfaces and irregular contours. Especially suitable for batch replication and processing scenarios.